Let's see some selection shortcut keys. Shift arrow keys. Create selection. Ctrl Shift arrow keys. Extend selection in the data region. Ctrl A. Once, select the range. Twice, select the whole table. 3 times, select the entire worksheet. Watch that the active cell remains the same. Ctrl *. Select the current region around the active cell. The active cell will be the top left. Ctrl Shift Home. Extend the selection to the beginning of the worksheet. Ctrl Shift End. Extend the selection to the end of the worksheet, to the last used cell even if you deleted its content. Ctrl Space. Select an entire column in the data range. Shift Space. Select an entire row in the data range. Now let me insert a shape, an icon, and with Alt F1 a chart. Alt F10. Open Close Selection pane. Here you can select individual objects. Holding down Ctrl, you can select multiple objects. Holding down Ctrl works on the worksheet area too. Let me hit Delete. Alright, in the next lecture we are going to discover shortcut keys that you can use in formulas. See you in the next video.